Oh, hi. I'm just prepping for a salad party tonight and... Wait, the dressing store's closed. What are we gonna do? I know. We'll make our own. In fact, we'll make 4 dressings. Tonight on the Vegan Test Kitchen. Now, the first dressing we're gonna make is the Miso Tahini. It requires just 3 ingredients. We have our hot water, our white miso, and our tahini. Need a 1/4 cup of tahini, and to that we're gonna add our 1/4 cup of white sweet miso. And with a large spoon, we're going to blend this together to make a paste. Okay, now we're gonna slowly whisk in our warm water. We're only gonna put in a 1/3 cup first, and then we're gonna add a little bit more extra to thin it out as you wish. All right, I think that is a good consistency. I want it to be nice and creamy. So tahini is essentially just sesame seeds. It tastes like a very nutty dressing, almost reminiscent of a peanut butter flavor. It has that slight sweetness with the miso. I think it's pretty good. I probably wouldn't put it on a salad though. They do mention in the book it's great on like steamed veggies or as possibly a dip. All right, our next dressing is the Mediterranean olive oil and lemon vinaigrette. It's gonna be packed full of lots of herbs and spices. It sounds really delicious. So, you're gonna need a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. So go ahead and start juicing those babies. We're gonna press 3 garlic cloves. And we're gonna add our oregano, basil, thyme, salt, and fresh black pepper. Now, the wonderful base for this dressing is, of course, olive oil. Get you a good, nice, extra virgin olive oil. You need a 1/3 cup. All right, we're gonna give this a good whisk. All right, look at that beauty. I have a feeling this is going to be delicious. All right, let's try this sucker. First of all, you can see the bits of garlic, and I know it's going to be delicious. I'm a sucker for a good vinaigrette, and that's what this is. You got your nice tang from your lemon juice, all those Italian herbs, and of course the bits of garlic. I mean, this would be perfect with any kind of Italian dish. All right, dressing number 3 is gonna be our sesame dressing, which should go good on any Asian dish. First thing you wanna do is toast your sesame oil if you don't already have toasted sesame oil. I'm one of those people that doesn't have it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. All right, you need 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil. You're gonna preheat your pan over medium-high heat. All right, once we've toasted this for a few minutes, I'm gonna turn off the heat and just let it sit there while we do some other things. Now, one of the things you need to do is crush your sesame seeds. I did not explain how to do this, and I've never done it. Just, do what you gotta do. All right, let's add our toasted sesame oil. Add 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, a 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil or lightly flavored oil. I'm using grapeseed. 1 tablespoon of mirin or rice wine, 2 teaspoons sugar, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Give it a good whisk. Has a very light, slightly sweet flavor, but I think it would go good on a savory salad. You can just barely detect the soy sauce, which is good. Gives you that little bump of flavor. Now, one thing I did notice with this dressing was the longer it sits for, the more it separates from the soy sauce. So just before you serve it, make sure you give it a good whisk or shake, wherever it is. All right, now on to the last but not least dressing, the raspberry lime vinaigrette. Now, you're gonna need 12 ounces of frozen raspberries, but you wanna make sure they're thawed before you do this recipe because we're gonna put them through some kind of a strainer to get the seeds out. All right, grab your raspberries, and with a spoon, we're going to push it through. Discard the seeds, and you're obviously gonna have to do this in batches. All right, now we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Now you wanna keep one of your lime halves because we need just a pinch of zest. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil or nut oil. And we're gonna add 1½ teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and ground white pepper. It doesn't say how much white pepper, so I just put in a few pinches. All right, we're gonna give it a good whisk, and we're good to go. Okay, my first thought is, if you don't have this at your Halloween party, you're doing it wrong. This would be the perfect salad for Halloween. Does it not look like blood? How awesome is that? So I'm typically not a huge fan of sweeter dressings, like fruity dressings. But because it's raspberry, it's not like super sweet. It has kind of a deep sweetness to it. And it's pretty good. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with this. I wasn't expecting to really like it. All right, y'all, there you have it. You got 4 different salad dressings to spruce up your salad game, each with their own unique flavor. If you had a salad party like me, then I think you'd make everybody happy, because everybody would have their own flavor of dressing. I hope you liked what you saw today. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And make sure to comment and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. You want me to dump that out? Okay, well hurry up. Hurry it up! Get your out. I've had enough. What do you think I've been eating? I'm only halfway done.